Good evening, Anurag. Happy to have you here in today's event, BSides Bangalore Conference 2024 edition. A quick introduction about yourself.
Sure, very good evening. Pleasure. Thanks for having me here. I'm Anurag. I head information security and compliance practice for a US-based insurance firm. It's called 𝗕𝗴𝗡. It's a startup.
Awesome. So very quickly, I want to check on the top three risks in cybersecurity today, given the massive change in the threatscape that is happening.
Yeah, I think, if you ask me, I would categorize, top three things as lack of boundaries, in the security landscape, and the threat from all the new technologies, right? Both from the threat from both data perspective and the regulatory, the legal requirement perspective. So, be it IoT or AI, evolution of new technologies and the threats from that. And probably the skill set, right? So when you are up for solving a challenge or facing something, so you need the right skill set to face the problem. So having that ammunition is important, right? So those are the three things that I would think of.
Good. Coming to the hot topic of the last few months is the GenAI adoption. So how do you see a GenAI use case in enhancing cyber defense?
Well, two things. One is I see a lot of use cases, especially in the incident management and SIEM, places where traditionally you have a lot of alerts that are being flooded, and it's difficult to find the, rule out the false positives and identify the actual ones. So I see a lot of use cases coming up there, a lot of scope, especially when it comes to defense. The other part is, it's interesting actually, I saw it in one of the sessions today morning around learning from natural, learning from nature actually, how to defend, learning from nature. So I think, my takeaway out of that session especially is, it's actually interesting to, AI is all about data set that you're using at the end of the day, right? So, how can you use different data sets in solving one particular problem, not just the data set that is relevant, but how can you broaden the thought and use multiple data sets to solve one particular problem? Maybe that can be an interesting area where we can see, some very niche, solutions coming out of the use of AI especially.
Okay, good. As a seasoned cybersecurity leader, being in the industry for so long, what are your top three areas that we can do better in cyber security?
Well, I think visibility is still the top one. I think I've been saying this for quite some time. So even today, I think visibility is the biggest challenge for any environment, for that matter, big or small. I think having everything under our radar is key thing to have. The other part is the multi-cloud environments and having the appropriate skill set who can actually tackle problems in all different cloud providers is one thing that is a challenge. And there are many challenges, right? So even the privacy laws that are coming up and the implication of those on your entire strategy, how you design your strategy, is another challenge that is coming up. Even India is coming up with the DPDP Act that is passed in the parliament but waiting for a notification from the government. Yeah. So I think multiple challenges. So these are a few that I can think of on the top of my mind.
Good. Finally, your takeaways or learnings from today's conference?
Yeah, it's always nice to be at BSides Bangalore. So there is a bit of everything for everyone, bit of something for everyone, right? And BSides, so you have sessions that cover application security, that cover data privacy, that cover compliances, in general about the technology. So I think it's a bit of something for everyone. As a takeaway, it's something that I like about BSides.
It looks like you had a good time. So
Absolutely.
Thank you, Anurag, for coming here.
Thank
and
you.
Sharing your thoughts.
Thank you.
Happy to host you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah.